This 2021 Dynamax Corp DX3 37BH is a Super CRV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, Slideout, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2021 Dynamax Corp DX3 37BH is built on a Freightliner M2 2106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.